Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the Brave browser faster step by step. These simple settings can help improve browsing speed and performance. So let's get started. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Next, click the three-line menu in the top right corner. Then select Settings. From the left menu, click System. Turn on Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Then click Relaunch to restart the browser. Next, go back to Settings, click on Privacy and Security, scroll down and click Delete Browsing Data. Choose Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data. Next, click Extensions from the left menu. Disable or remove any extensions you don't use. Now click Get Started. Under On Startup, choose the option you prefer to reduce unnecessary tabs opening automatically. And that's it. You've successfully made the Brave browser faster. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Brave browser tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.